welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, back again today. About to pick up this white car right here. You see,
hopefully
2003 BMW. See what we gonna do with this.
Oh
Yeah, it's still running, guys, but we think it might need a head job
the system charging.
Good look at the inside here. Okay, look, there's right. Alright guys, we're gonna pull it up on the trailer. We gotta get it straight. Alright, y'all, we got her on there. I knew the camera was there.
She forgot all about the camera. I know about it.
We end up checking it out and everything. Pressure test on it, and it's got the water mixed in with the oil, so we just decided to put an engine in it. To go and try to drop an engine out. I was doing compression tests and stuff on it. So we headed to the junkyard this morning to go look at one and try to go crank it up at the junkyard, so to see if it's a good engine before they take it out of the car out there for it. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get out there. Alright guys, we gotta run a wire to the starter down here because it's not cranking from the switch, so we're gonna try to jump it from the starter and see, but we're gonna turn the switch on, but so yeah. I don't know. Let me turn the switch on. It seems like it turned up and slowed on. I think we need to jump it from the van itself.
Anybody need to put it on the battery itself?
Cause I didn't even check the volts in that battery. I don't even know how many volts in there.
Yeah, so we'll just turn the van around because it'll read.
You want me to turn the switch on though?
Yeah.
All right. Turn the switch on here, y'all. All right, the switch is on. It got 177.
100?
177,000 miles, I think. Yeah, that battery too dead. We had charged this battery up, y'all. I don't know what happened. We're gonna turn out the van around. Y'all know about that Toyota over here. It's Toyota. We're gonna turn it around and then jump it. Alright guys, put this on this battery. I gotta turn the key back on this side. You good over there? Okay, why you spraying it in? Hold on, man. I'm ready yet.
I gotta open right now. Hold on.
You ready?
Yeah. Do it.
You gotta hold that thing open. You sure I can get it that much the gas pedal? Cause it is electric, you say, right?
Yeah. All right.
I'm scared, y'all.
See if it'll open.
Hold on, let me cut it. Let's switch it up. Is it opening?
Do it. Match?
Yeah.
You got the switch off?
No, it's on.
It ain't open.
Try to just spray it in there. I'll do it when it's trying to What you holding it open?
Yeah.
Okay. I accelerate it once you.
Hold on. Screwdriver stuck.
You might need to push it
All
off.
right. Ready?
Yeah. He sound like he want to crank. Hold on. I'm turning it off for a minute. I have to take a chance with it because it's it sounds like it's gonna crank, so it's probably nothing major going on with it.
170.
But they had the starter rigged up down there, so we gotta turn it up.
They probably had the power with it.
Yeah. Or it could be the key. We don't know. We just want to do it. See how it sounds like it want to crank, guys. Just looking under there. Let me see. And you got a screwdriver so I can check the fuel pressure right there? What you got to? Let's hold it up for me. No, I need to stick it in the straight there. I just want to see because if I can hit it, look. I ain't hit it. Oh. It's in my left hand, y'all.
But you know we ain't turning by the key, so.
Yeah. No, the key is on. Yeah, we ain't getting no fuel pressure up here, but that's probably because, you know, the computer ain't registering. I think it's probably had something with that security system going on. Who knows? So, guys, we're going to just take a chance with it because it's too freaking hot out here to be fooling with it some more.
I think it's almost 171 on the mile.
I think it's almost 100 degrees outside. I don't know, but I'm hot. So, we think we're going to pull this engine if they let us get it at a cheaper price. And we're going to drop it in there because on ours we know the ignitions work because the car still crank up at the house, so we're gonna go. They got no oil and nothing mixed, so you know they got no blown head gasket, but I did want to, you know, see if it was try to crank it up to see if it was knocking or anything on the low end, but I don't even hear that as it's cranking, so we're gonna go with it. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Stay tuned for when we put this engine in, y'all.
You did. Watch out now.
Yes, sir.